Welcome to the Landscape Library's YouTube channel. I'm Jordan, founder of the Landscape Library and voice behind the tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, thelandscapelibrary.com, to read landscape-focused articles or enroll in our online courses teaching the top softwares for landscape design. If you have questions or comments, add them below and enjoy the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the sphere command in Rhino. This is a very simple command, so we can just simply type in sphere. Like all the other commands, there is the second option that comes up. We can specify the center of the sphere, and when we specify the center of the sphere, we have options for radius or circumference, area. So I'm just going to stick with diameter. I'm just going to use 20 feet, and you can see that it automatically populates in Rhino. That is it for the sphere command. Obviously, you can use the gumball cursor to move the cursor up and down. You can also use the square commands to turn it into an ellipse.